Hi there everyone, this is your friend Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines. In this tutorial video guys, we will learn how to write, calculate, and circumference of the circle using Go programming language or golang programming language. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. If you are new with my channel, please subscribe. Hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section, click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my new uploaded video. So let's get started. So we have here the program that the file name of this program is circle.go. We have here the comment about the author, yours truly, and then the date when the program that I wrote, and then my website, and then my email address. So here, to calculate the area and circumference of the circle, so we have here a constant pi. So the data type is float 64, and then we have here the assigned value of 3.14. When we are using the keyword const, meaning this value 3.14 or the pi value of the circle is constant, it cannot be changed. So we have here function main. It is the starting point of program execution in any Go program. The begin curly bracket, and then we have three variables. The variable rad, it has a data type of float or 64, ci circumference circle float 64, area float 64, and then we have here the new line, and then we have here the title, calculate area and circumference of circle, to new line, backslash n new line. So our program will asking backslash t horizontal tab, just like in C programming language, enter radius of the circle. So we have here scan a line, ampersand rad, and then we have here the area that will act as an assignment statement equals pi multiply by radius twice, and then new line, and then we have here the display area of the circle is, so we to display two decimal places we are using %0.2f because this the variable here is float real numbers area. So for the circumference we have here 2 multiplied by pi times rad. So we have here the new line, circumference of the circle is %0.2f, and then 3 new line, or maybe you can remove this one, and end of the program that tells the programs that termination of our program, and then new line. So when we run the program under Linux environment, peppermint, so ls, so display the directory, cd space go to open the folder of go, ls. So we have your three programs. So to run a program using go, in the prompt, go space run space circle.go. Do not forget to put the extension go.go. Press the enter key. Calculate area and circumference of circle. Enter radius of circle, let's say 100. Enter. The area of the circle is 31,400. The circumference of circle is 628. End of program. Okay, let us run again. Let's say we can have 1 in the radius of the circle, so we can have area of the circle is 3.14, circumference of the circle is 6.28, end of the program. So this is the end of our video tutorial on how to create a program using Go programming language to calculate the area and circumference of the circle. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, share, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. This is your friend from Bacolod City, Jake Rodriguez Pomperada. Says until to the next video tutorial. Bye bye for now.